What's good, YouTube? It's your boy V1 in the building. And we're going to be talking about this trade right here, why we took the trade, why the trade was interesting to us, and which account we took the trade on. It was really simple. I went over how I'm going to be approaching the markets basically from now on, the goal that we have with the new account executive role that we done locked in. And now we're about to go over this trade. Wow. So let's really break it down. I'm gonna see if I can get this on my trading view. Oh, I can't, so I'm gonna do it off of here. So the first thing that we do, we're gonna make this simple, is we took the trade off of this. So the high of this candle is right here. The low of this candle is right here. Now we're just looking. We gotta scroll down the time frames. That's the first thing we do. We scroll down time frames just to see what we like. Are we trending? Are we ranging? Are we going to reverse? Just to get these key factors involved. See what we're really ranging, what price is really going for, and etc. And that's what we're looking for right now. You just want to eye it and even see if it's tradable. Now I want y'all to remember this zone right here, this breaking structure zone right here, before New York opened, this was the most recent breaker structure. But now we're gonna look for our zones. I'm sorry, I'm gonna go pull out this paper so we don't miss a step. Don't want to miss a step, so we already did step 1. Start from daily, analyze all the way to the 15, see if you really like what's happening. Number 2, we want to identify structure. And when we go to the daily, we can already see that we snap structure. And also, when we go to the daily, we also see, remember, pretend this candle is just forming, but don't worry about all this, because we're going based off of as if all that price action did not happen yet. So we also have this area that looks very pleasing to the eye. I'm just identifying structure. That is a daily high. That's why our price respected it. We go to the 4 hour and see where is this area. Bow. That's where the area is. We go to the 4 hour. So the next thing we're gonna notice is this breaker structure zone. Bobby, why you chose that zone? Let's go to the hour. This is why we analyze from daily to 15. You got high, low, high, low. Structure being broken, no retest, came. Now we got this high. We broke this high because price closed above it, made this high, it came back, closed under it. Price broke it and retested structure. So now price was coming and we were at the same structure. And that's where we chose to take the trade. But we took it on our futures account. And I'm about to show y'all that right now. Can't have y'all see my password now, so I'm gonna pull this aside. Login. So y'all can see why I took this trade, what we got in at. We took it on one of our funded accounts. So today. And this trade made us $1,000, as you can see. So let's go to orders, position history. We have this trade right here. Netted us $1,000. Let's go, guys. Y'all can see total P&L $1,041. That's the trade we took. This is a funded. It's an EV evaluation. So let's go back to our US 30 minutes. So that's why we took it from right here. Really easy, really simple, no crazy math to it. We just identify structure. We noticed this was a daily high. We also noticed that we had the most recent broken structure at the time sitting right here, and trend is bullish. So we took a buy, we capitalized, and we went. That's it. Period. Period. A plus. Don't get any more better than that. Now we're going into today's back testing. And the first thing I want to do is I'm gonna mark out this. Obviously, this is gonna change when we come back to the screen because a new high is gonna be printed, a new low is gonna be printed. So that's gonna change. So we go here, we kind of can identify that. When we're looking at structure, right? I can kind of say this zone right here because that's like where price kind of respected structure is this structure point right here, and we can easily break that and come up here, which would be nice. Let's go to the 4 hour so we can see it a little bit clearer. So this is a gap that needs to get filled up here, and this is structure that just got smashed up here. Okay. So now we know we had this broken structure, which doesn't necessarily matter no more. We're gonna find the most nearest broken structure, and it seems like it's right here. Let's go to our hour and see. So this is the most recent structure that got broken. So let's go mark this high. Let's go mark it out, mark it out, mark it out. So obviously you would think, okay, this is structure that needs to get retested, so it will look like something like this. But honestly, that can happen, but we're in an uptrend, so I would probably bet on something like this. That's more realistic based off the trend that we are in right now. So this is the most recent breaking structure. That's the high, that's the low. 3. Okay, we marked those. We already kind of marked highs and lows. 4. Mark breaking structure. 5. Mark key areas. We're talking about key areas right now. Necessarily right now, we are not really by any key areas. Price is this price. 6. Mark trend lines. We're gonna always mark our trend lines on our hour. It looks way better. As you can see, price is trendy to the upside. Price is trending to the upside. So let's pull this up, and we go to number 7, candlestick confirmation. We're not looking to take a trade right now, so there is no candlestick confirmation. 8 is our RR. Can we at least get a 1-to-1, a 1-to-2? And like I said, there's no trade being taken, so there's no. So that's our analysis for 30 right now. And obviously it's going to look better as we can see where's the new high, where's the new low coming into New York, or even coming into tonight, or even coming into early morning tomorrow. So before New York. We go to NAS, we kind of do the same thing, right? NAS kind of happened the same thing. Most recent broken structure, and came here, played off. Wow, that's an easy buy entry you could have took. So we go to the daily, kill 2 birds with 1 stone, and you'll see that this is the low of the candle, this is the high of the candle, and we're basically trying to see the price action for the day. So we want to see the high and low, just the overall high and low. We go to the 4 hour, and also we want to pay attention to structure. We want to pay attention to structure. We want to really pay attention to structure. Gap filled right here. This is the key area that we're targeting. Price is definitely not coming back down here, so you can expect price to probably play and buy up. So that's kind of like what I'm seeing right now. Go to the 4 hour, kind of scan, adjust this trend line. We're kind of knocking out majority of the things we need to knock out right now, which is extremely good. And if we're going based off the most recent broken structure, it will literally be right here. Let's go to the 1 hour and see how it looks like. Yeah, the most recent broken structure is literally right here. He created this high, he snapped this high. So this is the most recent broken structure. So now I just up to price to see if, well, we kind of already came up here, but I feel like overall we're bullish. That's why I do expect the bulls to come kick in 15 minutes and see how we look. See how we look. 15 minute, we're trending for sure, and we look like we're about to pull back. Obviously, that's in every trending market. Price has to pull back. That's just inevitable. So we go back to our 4 hour, and we're looking at price action, most recent broken structure, and now we can see NAS definitely has no trade opportunities. 30 definitely has no trade opportunities. So in a situation like that, you leave price the fuck alone. Leave it alone. Other than that, that's the end of the video. I will definitely see you guys until the next day, and hopefully y'all can get to see passive account. With that being said, I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Deuces.